full-sized 50s classic. Get it all in the frame. 1958 Oldsmobile 88 four-door hardtop. This particular car powered by a little later model Olds engine, 394 Olds underneath the hood, and this one that is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering. Of course, the era where there was chrome and bright work everywhere on the higher end cars, and this one is no exception. Just take a look at that front grille, headlight surrounds, bumper. Wow. Has had a repaint along the way to this red and white combination. Black interior. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, the undersides, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this car. Imagine it was the 50s and Dad pulled into the driveway, show Mom and the kids this fancy Oldsmobile. Wow. Lots and lots of chrome, no doubt about that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And look at the bright work on the rear of this car. White vinyl top. Down the rear quarters, check out these taillights. I mean, just chrome and bright work everywhere. Trunk looks very original in this car. Check it out in the still pictures. Also, a few things that will be in the trunk that go with it. There will be a car cover, a few extra belts, some lead additive previous owner was running. Speaking of previous owners, this one had passed safety inspections. It was New York in 2020. I'll show you the stickers up here. We have not driven this car a whole lot. We've driven it in our frontage road, parking lot. It's one of those, you know, short trips or what have you is what we've done. But if we're going to get this one out and take it on any sort of longer trip, may want to give her the once over. Check it out from your end. And again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. Be pictures of the data plate that's on the firewall or cowl. That will be in the still pictures. There's also a picture of the bin. If you want to do any of the decoding, check that out. Be pictures in the still pictures of that. Both of those, vinyl cloth combination. Bent seat up front. Look at all the room in here. Headliner. Take a peek at that. And again, you can see all of this in the still pictures. Probably 80, 90 still pictures of this car online. All right. Fired up. I found this interesting. Check this out. Clock's even working. Was working. Must be a little intermittent. Earlier, the second hand was going around on that. Check out the dash. Also, all the chrome around in the dash. Radio sounded like it powered up. Did not really get any reception inside, and I noticed antenna could use a little TLC there also. Alright, slip around to the back so you hear this run. Again, 394 Olds engine underneath the hood. More vintage, like a 61 or 60 era Olds engine. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood, check out the engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you get a chance to see it run. Again, power steering. $1958 Oldsmobile 88 four-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.